Okay, I thought I'd show you guys something that I learned doing body panels. Another YouTuber was showing how to do your welds on sheet metal, and it helps out. So, not trying to take his idea, just trying to get the information out there because it was helpful to me. And if you guys don't watch his channel, maybe you might come across this and it might help you. So, let me show you what he was showing, and it really does help. Okay, once your panels are lined up where you want them, take and leave a little bit of a gap there. That way you have a place for your weld. Come in and you want to quick buzz it and then hit it behind it. Gives your weld something to hit to instead of melting away the metal. So definitely helps where you're not eating away the metal and blowing holes in it. You guys might want to try that out if you haven't tried that method or found something better, but I really helped me get this panel in and not be fighting it.